Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pedro. So guys, as you all know that we used to drop daily updates on boom and crash index and step index. So guys, this morning we are going to show you guys on our statistic on our step index 5 minute time frames. So as you can see, we have our two powerful indicator installed on this particular chart. And if you see this particular chart very well, you will understand that our indicator is very accurate. As I always told you guys, this indicator works on all step index and boom and crash index. It also works on gold. If you want to use it on gold, it also works on gold. So this is step index 5 minute time frames. So if I type out that trade step index, this is one of the best trade that you can help yourself with at this particular time. So getting this indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to join our Telegram group and get access to me and send me a DM, and I will respond to you guys. I will always respond to you guys. So I will drop it at the description of this particular video. So as you can see inside this particular indicator, I told you guys that this particular arrow does not reprint. Once it appears, it stays permanently on this particular spot. So that is one of our perfect signal for us to take a daily trade on this particular strategy. You can see from this particular area, it indicates to us that we have a uptrend, and from this particular area, you can see what the price did. The price moved on the uptrend level, and currently now the market is still moving on the upward level. So that is very massive, guys. That is very massive. And here we have another one here that showed to us that we have a downtrend confirmation. You can see from this particular area we have our full confirmation for downtrend, but it does not go a very long way, but we can still take a massive profit from this particular level. And also we can see that it also appear again at this particular area for another uptrend. So let's check for more update on it. You can see this is another confirmation for us that we have another uptrend. We can see what the market did around this particular area. It go on a massive uptrend, massive, guys, uptrend massive, until we have our breaking level at this particular area. And I told you guys that if you want to close your profit, you need to target this your red line here if you are on the uptrend level, which will indicate to us that when our support level and this red line touch each other, then it is stand as a confirmation for you to end this particular trade. You can see this is a first confirmation. This is the first confirmation here, and this is the second confirmation for you to close your profits before we have another confirmation trend for downtrend. So we can see another one at this particular area, which indicates to us that we have a downtrend. When we check this our green light here, we can see that it has touched our resistance level, which happens to be the time that we're supposed to close this particular trade. So this is our first confirmation, and if you want to risk, you can wait for the second confirmation. But inside this particular case, we can see that there is no second confirmation, but this particular one has the first confirmation, and they also have the second confirmation. So we can see again we have another confirmation at this particular area, which go on a massive uptrend, and we can see that our first confirmation to close our profit on this uptrend is at this particular area. You can see that the light red line here, it's touched together with our support level at this particular area. So that gives us a best confirmation entry. We can see we have another one. I told you guys that this particular indicator is very massive. It's very accurate, guys. You cannot be using this indicator and be running lost every day. This is one of the indicators that changed my trading skill. I told you guys that this indicator is very powerful and it does not reprint, guys. And we can see this is another downtrend confirmation for us, and we can see it go massively on a down level. So let's say that we want to take our profit at this particular downtrend. Then we starting looking for this our green light 9, which indicates to us that we have you can see this is the confirmation for us to close our trade. This is a confirmation for us to close this particular trade. So that is how this indicator works. We can see we have another one, so it has been working, and this is very powerful. Just imagine this is step index 5 minute time frame. Imagine how much you are going to be making if you just catch one trade with this particular indicator. So it's so massive, guys, and this is one of the best indicator I would advise you guys to get if you are a beginner, or you are a pro, or you are looking for a way to skyrocket your capital every day. This is one of the best thing that you can help yourself with. So thanks, guys. If you want to get this particular indicator, it's very simple. Reach out to me, or you can even join my Telegram group and get more updates on how to reach me. So and also, if you are new to this channel, kindly do well to subscribe to us. Thanks. See you guys in our next video.